Burna na bete yuam teni mozo. No biala kam ka bete tete nampuntam tamang yela tenenen kam. No bichang karviela bela benata malebagi kateza malizali amatiama tiama.
Mother Ghana snores on her mat in a young night, best sung to her ears with melodious voices. Early dawn tap her shoulder with awakening smile, which shows the symbol of peace in the land. Tengban ku tahla kavigba sagban, dama jilwa itinyando wonon suru. Mwana bon kwabre kirko nyore ka mo avine bozor non de sagbana. Kadala na wun nam terwana veltab melka dawun min danawo selvanyal. Peace is the essential commodity in the war zone. We can't forgo peace and lay our hands on AK-47, which always destroy our Mother Africa. Mother Africa should open her eyes. You can't be cursed with democracy. Democracy is not warcracy. The day malfa politics are sunny. They may live come soon. And the tour so ma bebe top guamani. Kadala aya guamdanti bebe tangban man. My heart bleeds for the needy. Look at the blind, the crippled, your old boy, my old girl. Can they crawl throughout the battlefield? Talk less of the newly born babies. Ghana is dangling in the hands of the politicians. Reject guns and embrace development. Your medulla oblongata is our peace council in this coming December 7th and beyond.
Burna na bete yuam teni mozo. No biala kam ka bete tete nampuntam tamang yela tenenen kam. No bichang karviela bela benata malebagi kateza malizali amatiama tiama. Mriki cheki nyenywan tabuzu michang bebela la Burna. Upuli pali bebe cari tuzu tibuar bagba tebelah nyerba. So we want peace. Ejo ayindi kamali tirimabi. So we want peace. We are one people. Ejo ayindi kamali tirimabi.
Ay dab amabi yil kpalan tulozo. Ane tezang milyona mmegono kwan lo kuobo. Dagbang mbyan sune. Ghana is my country. Africa is where I belong to. My head is crying for a piece of land to lie on, but it has no place to smile at except Mother Ghana. Those that you are killing for, those that you are burning houses for, your lips vomit out, I can die for you, to the hearing of the one gambling with your life. Their children are dual citizens. They can grow wings and fly to different countries. Don't be cantankerous. Vote for peace. I vote for no politician, but peace. Ghana, our beloved motherland, I wish you blood-free election in this coming December 7th and beyond. Akarima wishes.
Burna na bete yuam teni mozo. No biala kam ka bete tete nampuntam tamang yela tenenen kam. No bichang karviela bela benata malebagi kateza malizali amatiama tiama. Mriki cheki nyenywan tabuzu michang bebela la Burna. Upuli pali bebe cari tezu Ti buat rebak bata belahnya rebak. So we want peace. Itu yang di kamali tirmabi. So we want peace. We are one people. Itu yang di kamali tirmabi.
Kayina to dwell sauye dwell jama'a kana to zan lefa sim kana liya piwo kala sam atia abadi na mosolo